Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will explain how to fix Insignia TV not turning on and get it working in minutes. Number 1. Power cycle the TV. Unplug the TV from the power outlet. Press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 10 seconds. Reconnect the power cord and turn the TV back on. Number 2. Check power source. Ensure the power outlet is functional by testing it with another device. If using a surge protector or power strip, connect the TV directly to the wall outlet to rule out issues. Number 3. Inspect cables and connections. Verify that all cables, especially the power cord, are securely connected and undamaged. Number 4. Test the remote. Replace the remote's batteries. Use the physical power button on the TV to determine if the remote is the issue. Number 5. Perform a factory reset. If the TV powers on, navigate to Settings, System, and then reset to factory defaults. Follow on-screen instructions to reset the TV. Thanks for watching.